Hello guys, so today we are with David Nwachukwu again, and I just found out this new site which is gonna be working out something. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the site I'm talking of. So you go to continue, right? Yep. So wait for it to load, and then okay. So this is we're in upload box. Yeah, upload box is where this is where we're going to. Okay. So now, how to go about it? You can see it pays us $59 over and over for uploading others' videos. So you just swipe down. You're just going to pay $19 for it. It costs only $19. You see, you just received a payment of $1,000. So this pays a lot. Are you seeing this? Okay. So you just go back to where you see click here for instant access. Okay. So now you can check out everything. You can check it out. Okay. So that you add Upload Box Pro to your purchase, so you get the best out of it. Okay. Then you're going to click on buy Upload Box now. So once that is up, you can see the total is $26. So you're gonna pay, put in your name like before. Okay. Then fill in your card details. Okay. Everything after that. Once you're done, you click on checkout. Once it's successful, you have the system. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.